Hi, if you already done tracing all the character, now time to rearrange your character one by one because we do a layer, right? Some of you have 300, 200. Today here I just trace 13, but for you, you have more character need to trace. So this I trace and I give black color. You can fill in or can do in outline. Okay, example, this is outline. The outline also um you can change the outline stroke. Okay, maybe make it bigger. It's up to you. Maybe you want to put some brush here. Maybe ink. We see how. Make it not. So yeah, maybe calligraphy. You can rearrange. Okay, so this is the outline. Also, you can change the color. Yeah, maybe number one. Okay, all we key if key. It's up to you. Maybe number two here. I want to change to yellow. Yellow outline. Then number five. Also yellow. Number here also yellow. It's up to you how you want to arrange the color and the outline. Okay, then what should you do now? You need to separate all the layer. So first, number one layer. So what should you do? Click layer number two. Then go to keyboard, click shift, drag, go to last image, click, then Control X or delete, or you drag, go to here. Okay, this is first image that I already traced. So save, be number one. So find the folder that you already do. Create one folder here, tracing. This is image number one, right? Click one, tap one, then save. Okay, then Control Z, delete image number one, click image number two here until shift and click the last image and delete. Then again save, go to number two. Now what should you do is you need to repeat this process until the end of your tracing character. Okay, finish, you save one by one image in Illustrator. Then now time you to open Adobe Premiere. What should you do? Go to new project, browse, make sure you do inside the folder that you already create before, select, then you can put the name here. This is my project. I put my name here and click OK. So basically this is the format. Please choose PAL 48 or 32. I choose 48 and click OK. Wait a while. Now what should you do is open all the image that you already separate before using Adobe Illustrator. Click all. Your image will be more than 100, I'm sure. So click all, drag, bring to here. Okay, bring to your project. Make sure all is using sequence and number 1, 2, 3 until finish. Okay, all what should you do is click number 1, shift and click the last image, click and drag, put in video number 1. Okay, in Illustrator I change the color, yeah, from black color I change different color here. So what should you do in video 1, click here and drag all the image, right click and go to here, scale to frame size, then select again, go to speed duration. Okay, this one you change to 0, the last one maybe you put 5. Okay, we'll see how the image are running later. Okay, here you click and click OK. Cannot see because the image is too small. It's okay, never mind. Here you can drag. Okay, you can play with this so you can see the image. So what should you do now is go to keyboard and click enter to make the image run on time, yeah. And green you can see. Okay, now you can see the image. So I think this one is not run on time. So see, okay, click enter. Make sure all is in same size. Okay, right click, don't forget right click again, scale to frame size, click enter to double check. Okay, out. Okay, what should you do? Premiere, put here. Okay, this is the file. Click and drag, go to audio 1. Okay, so you can click here. So this one is too long, the song is too long, right? So what should you do is maybe you want to cut a bit, right? So go to here, Razo tool, then maybe you want to cut until here, then click using selection tool. This one you can delete. Okay, so here, so, but this is the song is not start yet, right? So it's okay, never mind. With the Control Z, maybe I want to go, or I want to choose at the center of the music here, the song. I cut from here to here maybe. Then this one I can delete. You also can choose any part you want, yeah. Okay, here. Okay, I want to cut until here. So how to play this song? So just click your spacebar. Okay, you want to stop, you click your taskbar also. Yeah, okay. Browser 2, click here. This one delete. Okay, can see. So yeah, you can make it big here. Click alternate in yellow part here. Okay, make it a bit high or a bit low. Here, I start with a bit low. Don't forget to click control. Okay, you see here, here, click control. Okay, so can see sound here. Okay, you can control the sound. So basically, this is the editing for audio and video. So now what should you do is you need to render become a video. So first go to file, export and media. Click. See, make sure here output name, click, put inside the folder that we already create. Can put here, this is my project. Maybe I put my name, Roto, then save, then click export. Yeah, for the we wait until the rendering is finished. For the video, for the audio, make sure only mp3 and mp4. Okay, okay, now already finished. We go to the folder that we already create before we save that video there, right? So okay, this is the video. See, okay. Okay, done.